Hello guys, my name is Ibrahim from iTech1. In this course, I will be taking you to Web Design Bootcamp for CEOs. The essence of this course is to be able to enlighten chief executive officers, business owners, and young people with the mind of starting a business on how they can get to develop a website themselves without taking through the steps of hiring a web designer. This course is simple, direct, and easy to learn. You won't need to code anything, but you might need to make use of internet very well, and you will also need to have your smartphone, your laptop or MacBook with you so that you can follow along with all the practical explanations I will be giving you in this course. You have nothing to worry about. I will be taking you through the WordPress content management system. 75 billion of websites on the internet are hosted on the WordPress CMS, and believe me, you knowing how to use this WordPress system effectively will enable you to be able to design your own personal website without any knowledge or previous understanding of any programming language. Although we have some other courses where we make use of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and other parts to build a website, but this time around you won't be needing that. Funny enough, this course is practical based, and as I'm taking you through this course, you're doing the practical work, you're designing in real life, and by the end of this course you will get your own website available. How? Okay, I will show you how to get a free domain name, and I will show you how to get a free hosting server. Some courses and some lessons to come. In the next few lessons I will show you how to get a domain name, and I will tell you what a domain name is all about. I'll show you how to get the hosting server, and I will tell you what hosting server is. You have to get this step by step. But what you need to know: get a good internet access available, get a smartphone or your desktop computer available, then you're good to go. Glad to see you in the next lectures.